guys, hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the back glass panel on your iPhone 4S all by yourself. It's extremely simple and easy. You don't have to go to any electronics store or you don't have to run to Apple. You can sit at home and do it all by yourself. All you need is this little tiny pentalobe screwdriver. I'll leave the link to this on Amazon link in the description. It's pretty cheap. So all you need is this screwdriver to undo two little screws right here near the 30-pin dock connector, and your job is done. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, the back panel on this white 4S is smashed. So I currently do not have a white panel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap off the black panel on this iPhone with this. So this method will work on only the 4 and the iPhone 4S, no other iPhone. Alright, so let's get started. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. So let's go. All you have to do is now undo the two pentalobe screwdrivers. Pentalobe screws. Here are the two pentalobe screws. All you have to do is undo them. Do note that these screws are magnetic, so it's pretty easy to work with them. They're pretty small as well, so make sure you keep them in a safe place, as they're pretty easy to get lost. So let me just get it free and it's done. Alright, let's do the other one. It's out. Alright, that's it. The two screws are free. Now the back glass panel, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is slide up until you hear a click. So once you hear the click, the panel is free. All you have to do is slowly pull the panel towards yourself and it's free. There you go, the back glass panel is now free from the iPhone. Alright, let's keep it to one side. Okay, now let us go and remove the back glass panel on this iPhone. So move it to the side. Same procedure. All you have to do is undo your pentalobe screws at the bottom. So let's undo them. It's out. This is the other one. Do not apply too much pressure or you risk stripping the screws, and they will be a real pain to get them out once the screws are stripped, so take care. Let's just try to get this one out. Alright, done. Same procedure. So now once your pentalobe screws are out, all you have to do is push up. Once you hear the click, pull the back glass panel towards yourself and it's free. Okay? So now, just for information, I wanted to show you another thing. This white iPhone 4S is actually a dead one. The motherboard has water damage, and this iPhone works. So if you've seen my videos, this is the iPhone 4S which runs iOS 6, so it's in perfect working condition. So with the water damaged iPhone, you can see that the water indicators, originally they are white. Right here, originally the indicator is white, but once it comes in contact with water, they turn red. There are a total of 3 indicators on the entire iPhone. So one is on the motherboard. You can't see the other one because it's under the battery. It's right here, right under the headphone jack, right there. And there's one indicator right inside the 30-pin connector. So I'm not sure if you could see the red on camera, but it's there, it's red. Not sure you can see that, but if it's red, that means the phone is water damaged. So it's pretty easy for Apple to find out if your phone is water damaged, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so let's keep this to the side. Now all we have to do is reinstall our brand new glass panel on this iPhone. So all you have to do is pretty easy. Just line up these little grooves. As you can see, these little grooves, they have to be lined up with the phone right here, and just place it gently. Do not apply too much pressure. You risk damaging these extremely fragile ribbon cables. Do not damage the internals, so take care. Very easily just let it sit there, and once it sits, all you have to do, once it's in the groove, once it's in the groove, just press it down a bit, not too much. All you have to do is slide it down. You see, once you slide it down, it sits perfectly. Right. All you have to do is slide it down and it's done. So remember, when you have to remove the panel, slide up. When you have to put the panel back, place it and slide down. All right. So this is the white iPhone with the new black panel. So now all you have to do is, remember, once you are done fitting the panel, do remember to insert your pentalobe screws back in. All right, let's do the same for this iPhone. So as I showed you, take your brand new panel and all you have to do is place it, just align it with the grooves, press it a little bit, not too hard, and slide down. You're done. And it's that easy. Oh, and remember, put back your 2 pentalobe screws in there. All right, so it's done. So you have a black iPhone with a white back, and you have a white iPhone with a black back. So that's it. Extremely easy, extremely simple. So you can sit and do it all by yourself at home. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to run to Apple. It's a DIY project completely. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.